thank you for your purchase of funRide's 9-in-1 Carry Cot. This 9-in-1 Carry Cot comes with 9 unique features, including feeding, carrying, rocker, bouncer, safety net, baby chair, swing, bathtub, bottle stand, etc. Easy to take off the colorful washable cloth. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know the amazing features of it. This exciting product comes with these parts. You also need a screwdriver with a regular and star shape. First, press the pink push buttons on both sides of the handle joint and slide over the cot. This step will convert the cot into carrying position, which also activates the feeding and rocker function. Then, pull over the access cloth and safety net to use the safety net function, which secures the kid from any external dust, particles, and bugs. Next, insert the provided sled-shaped rod beneath the cot to activate the bouncing function. Now, remove the safety net and slide the cot handle beneath the cot to give the baby a personalized chair. To enjoy the swing function, insert the hook of the provided sturdy rope through all 4 sides of the cot cavity. By removing the entire cloth of the cot, we can now enjoy the bathtub feature. And for the finishing touch, attach the bottle stand to the back of the cot by using the provided screws. One-of-a-kind 9-in-1 Carry Cot. Enjoy the funRide, a ride of happiness.